Hi guys. Hi. Hello everybody. How are you? Okay, I am fine. Myself people. Okay. Uh, Today let me complete bit and byte calculation. Okay. So how do you complete? How do you calculate memory? And how do you calculate speed? So memory is calculated in byte and speed is calculated in bit. So memory calculation formula is bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. So we have to follow this formula while you are calculating memory. Nice. I'm giving an example. Uh, your computer hard disk got corrupted. So what would you do? You would go to the market and you will buy a new hard disk. So when you will ask, when you are going to the market and you are asking to the shopkeeper, you need a new hard disk. So shopkeeper will return in his reply, so what is the size of your hard disk? So you would say, I need 1 GB hard disk. What that GB means? GB. What that GB means? GB means gigabyte, not bit. And B in caps represent byte. Can you see here? Okay, fine. So 1 GB hard disk, that means 1 gigabyte hard disk. Now I would show you how you will convert 1 gigabyte into bit. Okay, while you are calculating from bottom to top, you have to multiply by 1024. Okay, so I have 1 GB hard disk. So beside GB, let me write down 1. I have 1 GB hard disk. Okay, so I want to convert this 1 GB into bit. So let's follow the calculation, how this calculation will be. Let's see. 1 GB you have to convert into megabyte. Then megabyte you have to convert into kilobyte. Then kilobyte you have to convert into byte. Then byte you have to convert into bit. So the calculation will be 1 into 1024. The value you will get, that is the megabyte, that would be 1024 megabyte. Then 1024 you have to convert into kilobyte. So 1024, that you have to multiply by 1024. Then there will be some value. Okay, so let me just assume that value is x. You got the value of x after multiply 1024 and 1024. Then x kilobyte you have to convert into byte. Then you have to multiply again with 1024. Okay guys? Yeah, fine. Then you have to convert, the value will be, for example, y. I got the value y. Okay, so x into 1024, if I multiply this two value, I got y. Just for an example, just I'm assuming it, y. Then y I have to multiply by 8. Why? Because here 8 bit equal to 1 byte or 1 byte equal to 8 bit. So while you are converting byte into bit, you have to multiply by 8. Okay, now you got the value of z. So you got the idea, right? How I have converted 1 gigabyte into bit. Okay, so Every time you have to multiply by 1024 while you are calculating byte or space or memory. So this is how we calculate memory. Memory calculation will be in byte. I have a 32 GB pen drive, so that should be 32 gigabyte pen drive. I have 16 GB memory chip, okay, that is used in mobile, okay. So that means I have a 16 gigabyte memory. Storage space is calculated in byte, bandwidth is calculated in bit. Do not forget, okay. Nice. Now let me calculate the speed, okay. So at home you got 1 MB internet connection. What this 1 MB mean? 1 MB means 1 megabit. 1 MB. This B is written in small letter. B for bit. 1 MB. So how would you calculate 1 MB, 1 megabit into bit? The formula is bit. There is no concept of byte, so I'll not be writing the byte. Then kilobit, then megabit, okay. So I have 1 MB connection, 1 MB, 1 megabit, that I have to convert first into kilobit, then bit. So here what would be the multiplier value? Here we have to multiply by 1000. While you are calculating speed, you have to multiply by 1000. While you are calculating space, you have to multiply by 1024. Okay. Now the value will be 1000 kilobit. Then 1000 kilobit you have to convert into bit. So you have to multiply by another 1000. The value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the value. So 1 MB equal to, this is the bit. Okay, you got the idea? While you are calculating memory, you have to keep in mind you are doing byte calculation. While you are doing calculation of bandwidth or speed, you have to keep in mind you are doing bit calculation. Okay. So from down to top, while you are going from down to top, you have to multiply the value. When you are coming from top to bottom, you have to divide by same value, 1000. Okay, guys? Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video will be informative for you. Thank you.